New York City declaring a public health emergency. Officials are calling it the epicenter of the monkeypox outbreak in this country, saying more than 150,000 residents are at risk of exposure and should be vaccinated. Long lines at the city's vaccination clinics from New York to Los Angeles. And news tonight about who may be most at risk. ABC's Phil Lipoff tonight from New York.
Tonight, New York City joining San Francisco in declaring a public health emergency as monkeypox continues to spread.
We've been calling on more and more vaccine to be made available to the city because we are definitely the epicenter of this.
New York City's health commissioner saying 25% of the nation's cases are in New York, and roughly 150,000 New Yorkers are currently at risk of exposure. Right now, health officials are finding cases primarily among men who have sex with other men, though cases are spreading to other demographics. At this vaccine site in Los Angeles, long lines.
I had a little pop-up on Instagram that said, you can walk-ups available. I came in with my documents and got in line.
But the line is not what concerns Matthew Dane, waiting to get vaccinated. It's the potential stigma the LGBTQ community faces.
I think obviously the stigma behind it is that gay men are mostly affected. Yes, that is the statistic right now that's happening. But I think eventually people who aren't part of the LGBT community will understand that it's not just gay men.
With any disease outbreak, there is often a specific demographic, but based on the way the infection transmits, anyone is theoretically at risk.
The CDC saying there is evidence showing children younger than 8 and people with uncontrolled HIV may develop more severe illness if infected. The FDA approving the release of more than 800,000 more doses of the monkeypox vaccine in transit tonight. The White House saying 340,000 doses have already been administered nationwide. New York City's health commissioner is urging the White House to declare a national health emergency so that the city can have access to federal funds to better help prevent the spread of monkeypox. We understand President Biden is considering it. No official word just yet. Lindsay?
Still a wait and see, Phil. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.